In today's class, good afternoon. In today's class, we are going to see on the methods of calculating depreciation. Before getting into it, first let us know what is meant by depreciation. From the value itself, it is clearly evident that depreciation is something a value which is being reduced. Am I right? So, depreciation is the reduction the property value or building due to its use, life, wear, tear, decay, or obsolescence. So depreciation is dependent on original condition, quality of maintenance, and usages. Are you clear with it? Something because of usage or because of its day-to-day usage, the value got decreased, right? That is depreciation. So in this, there are four methods of calculating depreciation. The first one is straight line method. Second one is a constant percentage method. Third one is sinking fund method, and fourth one is quantity survey method. So first one, straight line method. In this method, it is assumed that property loses its value by same amount every year. So each and every year, for example, let us take a property which loses 10%. Then means next year also it loses 10%. Next year also 10%. Then means at the end of 3 years, it will lose 30%. So that is straight line method. It will be decreasing straight line. Okay. So a fixed amount of the original cost is deducted by every year so that the end of the utility period, only scrap value is left. Get my point? So annual depreciation is nothing but original cost minus scrap value by life in years. Okay. Yes. Original cost minus scrap value by life in years. That is, so for annual depreciation, D is equal to original cost is considered C minus scrap value S by life in years is denoted by N. For example, a vehicle that depreciates over 5 years, it is purchased at a cost of $17,000, which have a salvage value of 2,000 and it will be depreciated 3,000 per year. So then, according to straight line depreciation, this will be the answer. Now, it is constant percentage method. In this method, it is assumed that property will lose its value by constant percentage of its value at the beginning of every year. Let us, so annual depreciation is nothing but 1 minus scrap value by original value by life in year. That is, so annual depreciation D is equal to 1 minus, so scrap value is S by original value is C by life in a year. So it is overall the whole power 1 by N. Next, quantity survey method. So in this method, the property is studied in detail and the extent of physical deterioration worked out in an endeavor to calculate the depreciation. So property is studied in detail and loss in value is loss in value due to day-to-day life. So each and every step is based on some logical grounds without any fixed percentage. Now sinking fund method. So sinking fund method, in this method, the depreciation is assumed to be the annual sinking fund plus the interest of the accumulated sinking fund till that year. That is annual sinking fund is equal to, sorry, please back. Is annual sinking fund is equal to I divided by 1 plus I the whole power x minus 1. So with this, this is for sinking value method, that the sinking fund is equal, annual sinking fund is I by 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1 by I, where X is the life of the building. So we will see in next class regarding necessity for evaluation.